Hi kid! Today we are going to learn modal verbs. Modal verbs are used to express if something is possible, certain, or impossible. We also use them to talk about ability, ask permission, and make requests and offers. Examples of modal verbs include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. Let's look at the use of modals to show if we believe something is certain, possible, or impossible. My keys must be in the car. It may rain tomorrow. I can swim long distances. I can't sing as well as John. Note the modal verbs used to speak about certainty, possibility, or impossibility. Some can also be used to ask permission. Let's look at a few examples. May I use the bathroom, please? Can I have some tea, please? Would you like some help? Could you kindly clean the window? Modal verbs can also be used for advice and obligation. Let's look at a few examples. You should eat more fruits and vegetables. You should exercise to stay healthy. You have to complete your homework. You ought to obey your parents. Thanks for watching this video on modal verbs.